Oh my god. Good morning, guys. It's 1 a.m. and it's super cold right now. I'm starting to wonder what the frick am I doing. But still, I'm very excited though, because right after this we're going to the summit, and I'm still sleepy right now, but thankfully I'm not super cold. I got a bit of sleep, not the best sleep, but it's good enough. And yeah, let's prep and let's go to the summit. So what I need to prepare to the summit is, number one, is the headlamp, extra batteries, the gaiters, water, which is already in my backpack, my jacket, my neck gaiter, and I think that's it. Right now, I'll get a small meal and probably get some hot drinks, and let's get on our way. And raincoat. Selamat pagi, selamat pagi. Selamat pagi. Boleh masuk? Boleh. Permisi. Okay, small breakfast is done. Let's go.
Nanti ini pakai plastiknya gimana? Atau di atas? Hah? Di atas baru pakai. Hah? Pakai dari sini? Atau di atas?
Dari sini. Iya. Oke, sebelum kita berangkat, kita berdoa dulu menurut kepercayaan masing-masing, dan doa mulai, doa selesai.
Out right now, going to the summit. It's super cold. And I think I have a pretty good rest because I feel my body is fully fit and super excited. Can't believe that I'm going to summit Rinjani today. Still hard to believe. And here, because of the moon, it's not a full moon, but it is bright enough that even if I turn off my headlamp, I can see where I'm going. Super wicked. We started trekking to the summit at around 2 a.m. They said it's gonna be around 4 hours, maybe more, till we reach the summit. Hopefully we can get there in time, and of course safely, because that's the most important thing. It's starting to get really steep. I think I'm about 15 minutes away from the top rim, and then it's probably going to be another hour till we reach the letter E. It's getting real tough. It's getting real tough. Oh my god. It's so gravel-ish. Hey, so right now we're in the top rim. On my right side is the Segara Lake, and on my left is the Sembalun village. Oh, still good. Legs are still okay. Breaths are still controlled. Although the wind is just the wind is crazy up here. I'm very close to the letter E right now, and it's super cold. And you can't afford to stop for too long, or you can be in a severe risk of hypothermia, which nobody wants to have. And also, one of the guides, they give an advice. If you guys are trekking in Rinjani and you're close to the summit, especially when you're on the top rim, do not even think of staying close to the right side, because it's immediate drop, hundreds and hundreds of meters down. On the left side you still have some vegetations, and it's not, well, it is steep, but if you fall there, which of course you still don't want that to happen, you can still be rescued fairly easily, well, relatively easily. Oh, you know, letter E is gonna be the most problematic of all the trails here. Now I'm surprised I can still even talk right now. The winds are just it's so cold right now. Super fast winds. Be really careful. Alright. Okay, so we're just right under the letter E. We're getting some rest because this is the last place that is protected from the wind, and it's gonna be 1.5 hours. Yeah, it's gonna be 1.5 hours, hopefully 1.5 hours. Okay, the winds are getting crazier, and I'm about to start the climb on the letter E. Oh, it's tough. It's really tough. is incredible. We're also just in time for the sunrise. It's 6 a.m. right now, so we trekked about 3.5, 4 hours from the camp. It's, it's really tough. It's really tough. The view is just. So this is the best view. It's incredible. That's Segara Anak. That's the smaller volcano in there. And way in the distance you could see Mount Agung actually. It's such a beautiful view. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It's just beautiful. I would love to stay longer up here, but it's just really cold right now. I'm shaking already. And I and my group, we got some plans to catch because we're gonna descend down to the lake. We're gonna camp there. It's gonna be quite a trek to get there, so I think I'm about to head down. Finally. Okay. I feel kind of sad to leave the summit, but still, I have a lot of things to do. It's super cold. I need to get moving, and I need to eat something as well. So let's head down. Almost at the lower crater rim. Now I just need to descend down there, because that's where my campsite is. Wait. I still just can't stop looking at this, bro. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, man. Ay, ay, ay. It's beautiful. That was the summit. It's incredibly high. Still can feel my legs though, so that's a good sign. Still quite a lot of trekking to do today, so let's go back to camp. Okay. Reach here, turn right, head to camp. Let's go. Yee. If you do that kind of stuff, you need to take a bit of rest so you don't tire your legs too much and get cramps. Trust me, I learned that from experience. Okay, so we're at the shelter. Our camp is just way over there, right there. But right now, I need to do something because my legs, well, not my leg, my foot is hurting. You guys gotta see this. I got the whole Kuta beach inside my shoe. It hurts. Alright, let's go back to camp. Alright, I'm back at the camp. It's 8:30, so it's time for me to take a bit of rest and cook some food. Eating time, guys. It's breakfast with a view. Berat banget ya?
Nah, itu ringan tadi gua angkat gua.
Ya kalau mau dibawa 3 jam?
Iyalah.
Enak.
Berat itu tergantung berapa lama gua bawa sih.
Kemarin. Kemarin. Lagi.
Aku aja yang naik. Hah? Aku aja yang naik.
Udah tadi.
Aku kakak yang bawa.
Jangan bawa ini, bawa. Makanya itu, Bang. Awas ya. Mentang-mentang di tas.
Alright guys, so we have finished packing and tearing down the camp. We're heading to the next spot, so let's go. I didn't record anything earlier because I was charging the batteries. I've ran out the batteries very early today because it was really cold and the batteries was raining. Hey man, I'll see you later. I'll see you.
See you.
You coming to the lake too?
Yeah.
All right.
But no. I think we go.
Directly.
Yeah. Because one friend of us is sick. you
Oh
know?
really?
Yeah. And yeah, he cannot get the top today, so.
Kembar.
Come on. Let's go. Chinese now si Salpalo, Barawas.
Alright man.
Yeah.
Alright, sampai jumpa.
Yeah.
See you.
Where are you from, Java?
Yeah, I'm from Java.
Okay. You also same?
No.
Makassar, Sulawesi.
Sulawesi. Oh.
We go again. Gila, capek banget. Kita naik lagi. So we've walked around 1.5 hours, and apparently we're not going to camp at the lake. We're gonna camp a bit further down, so it'll save us time tomorrow. It's not gonna be a big problem. But right now, we need to get down first. Go down that route, circle around, and get up to the lake. Still quite a long way to go, but the views are just stunning.
Batuannya sampai di bawah habis ya.
We were from
Siapa punya ini?
way over there.
Untung nggak panas ya.
The weather has cleared up really good. You could see clearly the hills above Torian. That's gonna be the route we're gonna go through tomorrow. It's beautiful. Sometimes you just forget that you're tired. close to the lake. It's just right there. It's really exciting. The views, dude. Just check it out. Crazy. I think we're here. Okay, we're here. Quite exhausted, but it's really cool.
Kayaknya nggak sampai. Maunya orang kalau mau ngomongin
Iya.
orang udah datang ke sini.
Ya,
Ya setiap setahun
tahun sekali ya.
sekali keluarganya kesini.
Sekalian mancing. Iya. Kok nggak sadar?
Tapi sudah tumbuh cemaraannya kan, sudah besar.
Di atas itu. Yang
Enggak.
we finished eating lunch and we're just taking some rest. And the guide said that I can wash my face on the lake. So let's try to do it. There's a lot of fish in here. Look at that. It's all baby fishes. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but it's all fish. Damn. It's all fish. They're incredible. That small volcano is called Mount Rinjani. It's still active and it's still erupting now and then. Crazy. Well, let's try to explore the place a bit.